Hello everyone, let's learn more about the Laravel. And as far we have done the admin panel, personal contact and the users. So if you haven't checked out my old videos, please look at my old videos, and description is given below. So what we have is this one, and I've also uploaded this all on the GitHub, so you can just check out my GitHub account, and it will be the description, link description is below. So let's recap, okay, and recap something like this is the app folder, right, and here is the HTTP, and we have controller here, okay. So the other thing is the models is here, which I have made it the models, and the view is on the resource. So where the resource, okay, resource and view, and we have some back end and the front end, okay. So let's check out what we have done so far, okay. So let's check it out, and for that what you have to do is you have to just go to that folder, okay, go to that folder, and you have to just do php artisan serve, php artisan serve. So this video is for the beginners. So if you are the beginners in Laravel and you want to learn the Laravel so easily, you can just follow me, okay. And don't forget to like and subscribe and share too. So we have this, and today I will make some interesting on this video. So let's go. Okay, we have this one, okay, and as far we have done the backend. So let's go to the AdminLTE dashboard backend, and here we have done this personal contact and users. So today I'm going to make some front end. So let's look at the front end. Okay, this is the same old front end, right? So let's make it some new front end. So for that, first of all, I'm gonna see the image gallery web template free, okay. So I'm doing this from the start, right? I mean to say, oh my god, what's going on? I am not robot, like, let's play this, right? Okay, come on. I think this is making my video interesting. I will not cut this, okay. Okay, so we have the curly template, gallery template, okay, free image gallery HTML5. You can just choose from HTML5 template free. Today I am gonna show you how to make the front end and connect with the back end, okay. 5 template, and we have HTML5 template gallery color leaf, okay. So free, we need the free template. So let's check it out. Oh, my net is English slow. Oh, come on. By the way, stay safe in this quarantine, okay. So we have this one as far, and this is another WordPress. This doesn't work out, I think this won't work out too, and everything I've seen only the WordPress. Okay, it's WordPress or what? Okay, so we have this one. No, I don't want this too. We need some type of the easy, which okay, some easy template. Where is some kind of the, so this one's fit, right? Okay, let's download this one. Slaughter. Okay, hope this is free. Okay, yeah. License where you have to just footer credit must be remain on the place, otherwise you'll be like, you know. Okay, so it is downloading. So let's see here. Okay, so far we have the web. So this is the route. Okay, this is the channel from where we will going to routing. Routing means it's like the showing path, right? Showing the right path. I mean to say that if you just log on to the website, and then what will happen is it will show that it will point out the path. So this is like the same one. Okay, so it point out the path. Like if you go on the website and show the home, and it will show to the path home controller index, right? So it means home controller index. So where the home controller, so this is the app and home controller, right? So controller, we have the controller here, we have the home controller here, and we have the index. Okay, return home. Okay, so it will return what return? It will return the home. It means return view home. Home means you have here home.blade.php, resource home.blade.php, right? So let's not just look this, so let's look something. So I hope that you have got the right. So let's go to the main, and this is the main tablet which I have made. This is, I think this is the backend, like, okay, so this is the backend main. So first of all, let's make some front end. Okay, so here view new folder, and the folder name is front end. Okay, and then let's make some layouts. Okay, so new folder layouts. Okay, and here this is the like easy approach. I mean it will be easy to find out, and if you follow this approach also there will be easy for you. Otherwise you can use any type of method. So here you can just type one main.blade.php, and don't forget to make the blade templating. Okay, without blade templating it won't work out. So head.blade.php, where our header will be, and the second one is foot.blade.php, where the footer will be. Okay, header, footer, main, and one just make header and footer. It may be useful or it may not be. You just have to make it. Okay, if you want to, header.blade.php, and the other one is footer. Footer.blade.php. Okay, Okay, fine. Okay, that's right, that's amazing. Okay, great. So we have the head, header, footer, and we have the main. Okay, so let's do something like, you know, like is it downloaded? Okay, download complete. So where is my file? So where is my file? Okay, I'm searching that file. Here it's, so I'm copying this file and I'm going to paste it here in, okay, it will be easy for me. So I'm going to extract here sorter, and then let's see this file. Oh my god, this can't be possible. Let's change it from Internet Explorer to something new. Okay, no, not a Chrome, GX browser. Okay, it will be fine for me. So it's your choice, whichever you want to use. So let's look out the index file. Okay, so I'm going through the course, so if you are not interested, you may skip these things. Okay, so what we have here, wow, nice template, right? Wow, okay, great template. I think it will be hard to, okay, wow, okay. So home, here is the photos. Okay, so I need this one. This is the perfect one. So I need these photos. So for that, what I'm going to make is, okay, I need this one. Okay, great. So this will be our gallery, right? Come on. So this will be our gallery. Okay, great. So now what I'm going to do here is like copy this sorter and then I will paste it to my admin in public. Okay, so I'm going to paste it here, so because it will be easy to code, right? So let's go here, and I don't want this recent. Okay, so let's go to the public, and we have this sorter one, and what we need is like photos. So this one, so again I have copied that, I have copied this, and I have copied, so I have copied this and paste it to the my public folder. It is because so I can just like it will be easy for me to look after this course. Okay, so it's not the part of that, but for me it will be easy. Okay, So what I will do is I'll go to the main. I'll first copy this, okay. So I need this photo.html, so I'll just copy this all, sorry, this all. I'll just copy this, or I'll just, okay, and I'll go to my resource frontend and main.blade.php, okay. So view, resource view, frontend, layouts, and we have main.blade.php, okay. So I have pasted it and I have saved it. After that, what I have to do is the second step. Let's make the web, okay. No, let's make first of all controller. So this will be our website controller, okay, which control the front end website. So for that let's go towards our terminal. So new terminal. I am in the VS Code right now, okay. So previously I may have used the PHP Storm. Now I am in the VS Code. So let's go to the terminal. Terminal is here in the VS Code, and the VS Code means Visual Studio Code. So it will be easy for you too, because the VS Code is free, you can use it. So PHP artisan make controller, the old code, right? And I'm gonna make the controller. Okay, I have not used any kind of, okay, if you want to make the folder like front end, you can make it, but I'm going to make it as simple. So website controller, and for this also I'm going to use resource, okay, right? Okay, right. So let's see. RSUS, okay, here the spring stack. Maybe it will show the error, maybe, or may not be. This is the undefined route. This, okay, resource doesn't exist. So yes, resource. So let's do it. Put it in the upward, okay. So let's do it, and the controller has been successfully made, so I don't need this one. And let's go towards our controller. Okay, here the controller, I need the index one. So return, and so we have this website controller, and this is the personal contact controller. And what I have done here is return view back. No, you have to do the same, okay. So let's return it, okay. So let's return it, return view. So what I am going to show the resource. So we don't have to put the resource here. Look, front end, and then layouts, and then what we have is main, okay. So is this working? Maybe or may not be. So for that you can also do, maybe you can also do this one, okay. This is also the same. So this may be the new one, okay. Front end layouts view, okay, this is working. So this is done, okay. The second one, which we have to do is we have made it the controller, right, and we have made it the view, and the second one is let's make the route. Okay, so here the route, and here you can just see here this one is returning the welcome message, so I'm going to make it like comment here, and let's make one new one like this. So let's copy it and paste it, and then you have just do like this. And the second thing is website controller. So what it is doing, that if you are going to just start this one, and then it will call the website controller index. Okay, and we call it website.index. So you can, this is the naming, so this is the route name, and you can put whatever you want. So let's go to the, let's go where to go. Let's go to the website controller index 1. Okay, website controller index 1. Oh my god, we have returning it in the create. So just cut it and put it into the index. Okay, wow, you have done the right. Cool. So let's check it out here. So this is the previous one, and let's try to refresh it, and you will got it. Okay, you have done the great job, right? Okay, cool. So why this all are coming like this? It is all because you haven't specified the CSS and JavaScript and so on. So for that, what we have done in the backend, the same thing we have to do here. Okay, so let's go to the public folder, and we have this shorter one, so we need this CSS, and let's copy everything. Okay, let's not just copy everything, let's just leave it here. If you want to copy it here, make new folder and copy it. So for me, I will just leave it, maybe it will be easy for me too. Okay, so I will just leave it like shorter. Okay, yes, add. Let me make this, rename this like front end. Okay, I have renamed front end. Okay, then CSS. Okay, we have everything here up and running. So let's go to the front end main, and let's cut this head one. So you have to cut this head one. If you really want to cut this. If you don't want to, don't cut this. It's your choice, right? So I have cutted this head one. Okay, I have done this one, and make the head like, okay, let's make the head, this one is the head one, and we have the main file. Just do like include, and what we have is it's the head, right? Okay, front end dot layout dot head. So we have the does we have like, okay, I don't think so. We have the header here. Okay, we have the header. Okay, we have the header here, right? So let's cut this header. We don't need here because we need to clean the code. Okay, so okay, let's cut this one and here include website dot frontend dot layouts dot header. Okay, done. HEADER. Okay, we don't have a front end. Okay, now it's up and running. So let's go to header and do it. Like, I'm just trying to make it. Okay, I'm just trying to like make the things clear. Okay, so let's go to the downward, and what we have here is the foot, like, so include, so and frontend dot layouts dot foot. So here let's, okay, so we have the foot here. Okay, and the last one is footer. If we have the footer, then it's okay. If you don't have, then also it's okay. Let's search it. Okay, we don't have footer, then it's okay. We don't need a footer here. Okay, so we have this everything up and running. Okay, right? So let's make something. So let's look at our code. Let's close this one. We done need this. So look at the code. Okay, come on, nothing is changing, right? Yeah, it is all because, so this video maybe like it will extend because of I'm doing whole things, right? So this have done. The second thing we have to do is like we have to this scripts one and these all we have to change it, right? It's very hard, so maybe I'm doing it quickly, and maybe I will be skipping this. Okay, so I'm doing one and I will be skipping it. Okay, I mean to say that in video it won't be appear because it will take lots of time. Okay, so what we have to do is asset, and then what we have to do is we need to specify the, so assets means it will go towards the public folder, right? So now we have to specify front end, and then let's just this one. Okay, so maybe it will be right. So far we have done this one, right? So it may seem easy, guys, but it is so boring. So this is the boring phase. So let's see, is there any difference that came up? Maybe or may not be, but I don't think so, right? Not little difference. Okay, maybe because of we haven't used the CSS. Let's go and make the CSS too, because it's also the part of this life. I mean this one's life. So do the same. So if there is a link, you don't have to do anything for the link, right? So if there is no link, then you have to just change it. So asset, and then we have this front end. So where I am going, asset means we are in the public folder. Please try to understand, we are on the public folder, asset means, and we are following the path assets and assets, front end, and then we have CSS, and then the same one. Okay, so for this one, first of all, I like to copy this all the things, so it will be so easy for me. Maybe let's see, it may show some difference to our front end. Okay, let's do this ones too. So I'm trying to make you all understand by the core, so please try to understand, and you don't need to please do it, because by listening only you can do it. So for the clear concept, you have to do the practical, and I hope you all are safe in your homes, because there is the COVID-19 everywhere. Please stay at home and be safe, you and your family. So we have made this so far. Okay, let's go and refresh it. Maybe I haven't okay, this came. Okay, maybe it's the nice and the good sign. So I don't want to make the photos, and if you want to make you can just go here, and okay, I will show one picture, because you will be like, okay, where is the picture and where it have gone, or where the picture had gone. So I which one. Okay, so here the image, right? So you can do the same here, asset and image, so front end and image, and then you have this one. Okay, let's see it works or not. Okay, it worked. Okay, so this one's worked, and this is not we are doing from the back end. Okay, so please don't be confused on these things. So it's just like I am doing the same as it is. So for the back end, what we have to do is we have to make first of all, what we have to make is, first of all, we have to make the model, right? So let's make the model. Here's a terminal. Let's say PHP RT. Okay, so PHP artisan make model, and I want to make the model in models, which is here, models, right? Models, and I want to make the model name. Okay, so I want to make the model name like image gallery. Okay, gallery, right? So, or for the easy, image. Okay, so okay, oh my god, so sorry, I have to make like -m also for the migration. So I'm going to delete that model and I will try again. Sorry for that. Okay, I don't need this. So what -m will do is, -m will like make the migration automatically. Okay, so created the migration tables also. Okay, so what the migration table is, the table from which we can make like the attributes, table attributes, and we can it will be easy for database. Okay, so table, so I have like table and the text and the title one. So it's not text, I don't want the text on title, string, I want the string on the title. So other one I want to do is table and text for the image, so img, and another I will make like table and text for the description, dsc. Okay, description, I have made this like description. So if you want to make it nullable, you can just do and make it like nullable. So what a nullable will do is it will also take the null value. Okay, so I have done a description nullable here. Okay, done, right? So what I will do is I will like PHP artisan migrate, migrate. Okay, it's right. Okay, done. So the table has been migrated. Okay, so for that, for the migration and all the stuff, I want to recap you again if you are just the beginner and you have forgotten the things. Then just go to the env file, right here, the env file, and you can see where it is, right? So database name, you can just make database name from here, and the username and password. So my password is blank, right? So this is all the localhost, this is all the like environment file, you know, and it's very much necessary, this is very necessary to make the environment and to run the program. Okay, so look that environment file too, right? So we have done these things so far. Okay, so migration file has been also done and the model also have done. Okay, so here what we can do is we can just use protected and fillable, you know, it's like this is the, and we'll pass the array here and like and just can we use this? I don't know, I just forgot because I was working on like I was working on the Vue.js. Oh sorry, not a Vue.js, I was working on the React Native, so pretty confusing. So let's look this another one model. Okay, yeah, sometimes it will take, sometimes it won't take. So let's start which we have to fill. So we have which things we have to fill is title, image and description. Okay, just title, image and description. So title, image and description. So what happens is sometimes if some type of like you don't need some type of the attribute, or you can say the table column, so for that you can just leave it from here, but for that you have to make that column nullable. Okay, so I need 3 of these. Okay, the middle model has been done. So for the backend, let's make the controller. Okay, and a controller name is let's make the image controller. So let's go to the terminal and just php artisan make controller, and we have image controller. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, because if you share these videos, and for me it will be helpful to make more videos. And let's see image controller. Okay, so we have php addition make controller and we have the image controller here, and let's make resource here. So you are resource. Okay, done. Okay, cool. Okay, it's done, right? So we have so far the index, create, stores, and these are all the things that we have previously on this personal controller. Okay, so for these things what I am going to do is like, let's copy this. Okay, so I am going to copy this all the things from the personal contact controller. Yeah, I will say to you all the things, but for the easiness let's copy it and let's paste it here. Okay, so I have pasted it so far. Okay, done. So this has been done. So first of all, what we have to do is, this all things has been done and this has been copied. Okay, so don't be confused on those things. I have just copied from the personal contact controller to image controller, and I will be elaborating those codes if you are new. And please try to look from the first video if you are new on the Laravel. So I have copied this one, and the second thing I have to do is let's make the view on the back end. Okay, so I have the public and I have this backend, right? Okay, view backend. So I have this backend and I have the layouts and the personal contacts. So I am going to copy this folder too, and I am going to paste in the backend, right? So I am going to rename it. Oh sorry, I don't want to delete it. I want to rename it. So I want to rename it like image. Okay, make image. Okay, right, done. So these things also has been done. First thing done, second thing done, and the third thing what I have to do is, let's go to the layout of the backend and let's see the sidebar, and let's make it one here. Like I have done personal contact. Okay, so let's copy this one and let's paste this one. Okay, so what I have done is, let's make the route called, so I have not defined the route yet, so let's leave it blank here. So it is like image. Okay, so I have made the layouts. So let's see here in the admin panel. So here the image, right? Okay, here the image, but it's showing the personal contact. It is all because because we don't have the image route. Okay, so let's make one route. Let's make it. Let's do it. You can do it, man. If you are having error, let me know, but you can do it, because I am going slow and it will be helpful to you. Okay, let's move it. Hope you all are enjoying in your home, and if you are not, you can just watch my videos. So it's not funny, you know, but maybe it will be helpful. Okay, let's go here and let's make it. Oh my god, dog from the other house, really. So let's make it image, and let's make here image controller, right? What we have made, image controller. Dogs from the other house was barking, so I said like that. Okay, I don't know it. Okay, let's make it something like image controller. Okay, so are you understanding image controller, and we have the resource, and let me see the resource. So what the resource will do is, it will make automatically all the things, right? So for example, let's do here, let's do it. Let's make the PHP artisan and route list. Okay, let's see. Okay, the route has been made or not? Let's see here. Okay, image, yeah, here the image create and all the things I've done. Okay, right, so we can move forward then. So let's make like, we have this here, and image controller we have here, and okay, done. So we have the image dot index, right? I don't know, let's check it out again. So PHP artisan route list, it will show the list. So we have this one, image.index. So let's go to the our backend from the view and sidebar, and let's make it image.index. Okay, or sorry, I have done wrong. Image.index. Okay, image.index. Okay, done. So let's save file, save, and let's go towards the other file, like, you know, this also I have to save, right? So let's go to the image controller, and here what we can do is, like, we have to add image, okay, model. Okay, right, done. and basically it happens, and we are using use models image. Okay, so and backend, so what we have to do is here in backend we have the, let's go to the, in backend we have the image, right? So we have the image, sorry here, image, right? And index, so we can go there to see. Okay, so where we were, okay, and the index will call the image, right? Image index by compacting the data, right? So data equal to image all. So this is the model, we are calling these models in the data and we are compacting the data. Okay, here, so in the data you can use any kind of variable. Okay, so this is the variable and you can use any kind of variable. I am using the data for my easiness. Okay, so when we call the index we'll go here. Okay, and the second one is create. In create, when we call this create, what will happen is we will go to the image add. Okay, so image add means the route, in the view we have this image and we have this add index and update. We have this index add and we will use update too. So for the store one, so we will make one variable image, and what it will do is, this is basically the PHP, right? So this is basically the PHP one time. So this is basically the PHP one, like we are using this time, and this is the method we are using this method and connect this method to the image extension. Okay, so this is also method, we are basically using this PHP extensions, and what will happen is it will randomize our image name. So and after that what will happen is we are going to call the request image. Okay, we are going to call the request image to the, and move it to the image. Okay, so the public path image, so we should have this public path image, right? So we should have this public path image, right? So let's before that let's see the index one, right? So and I will clear the concept. So let's refresh one and hopefully it won't show the error. So let's go to the image one and there's nothing, right? There's nothing to show, right? There's nothing to show because there's nothing. So it is showing the image panel. Okay, so let's change something, like here we don't have the name. Okay, so we have a title and so on. So let's change it. So let's go to the index one and we have all these things. Okay, so here for the create one, so here for this create button, just use the image create. Okay, so I'm trying to remind you again. So I think this terminal I have to minimize. So PHP artisan route list. So I'm trying to make this name from the image index, image store, image create. Okay, so this also comes from the resource. Okay, where we have used directly the resource. So this made us easy. So let's go here. Okay, so we have a data here. So route image create. Okay, so this has been done. Okay, here is the add, and okay, so the other thing is, let's go to the here. So in name we need title, and we have description, we have title, we have description, and we have image. Okay, we have only 3, right? So here we are doing for each, and I have already mentioned earlier. So what this also mean? So here we are using the for each data as info. Okay, so this why I am using this means all the data come here as an array, and we are going to break that array into the variables. Okay, so data as info. Okay, so one by one the array will come. Okay, so for each data as info, so I'm keeping same for the easiness. So title, we have the title, we have the description, and we have the image, right? So we have the image. We have the image? No, we have the img. You have to understand this one. Okay, so we are calling the info, we are calling from database table img. Okay, so and here create, so image dot create, image dot edit, image. So wow, it's easy, right? Because we have made it earlier. It is very easy to make the backend, right? So once you make the backend, and it will be very easy for you to make the other one and the other one. Okay, so image.destroy. So this all have been done, right? So I have to describe this one. So what happens is, this new one for the destroy, for this option, what you have to do is you have to use the method post, and csrf token, we need to use the csrf token, and we have to use the method delete, and then only it will delete. Okay, so please be careful by using this destroy method. So as far we have done this one, and cool. Another one. So refresh this one. Let's refresh it. Wow, it's nice, right? Wow, it has changed title, description, and image. And because since there is no image and anything, so we have nothing here. Okay, so let's go to the this other one, what that's called the index and the add one. Okay, so let's make it some changes here. We have the image gallery here, image gallery. Okay, so sorry if there is some spelling mistake. So here it's like image.store, and we have the image title, label it. So this is the normal HTML, and maybe you know this, all this. I hope you know all this. Title, description, and the other one is the image, right? So we don't need the phone. Okay, done. And the submit one. Okay, done. So for the update one also, let's update it. So let's update here, image update. Okay, so for the add one, what we have done is if you don't know, let's see here. I have used the CSRF token, right, @CSRF. So maybe it's work Laravel 6 and more, maybe from 5.8 or 6. I'm confused on that. It works @CSRF. Okay, so the next one is, so this is the version we are using 6. Okay, so if you want to see your version, you can just see at the, maybe in the env file. Okay, no, not in env file. Then you can see in the package, where the package file, right? There must be a package file. Okay, there must be one package file called there must be one package, there must be one. Okay, composer. Okay, yeah, here it is. So what we have here is, okay, we have here the Laravel project and Laravel framework, maybe PHP. We need the PHP. Okay, here it is. So we have the PHP, this one, and we need this one, and this is the 6.2, right? So this is the Laravel framework 6.2, which I'm using. And yeah, latest one, Laravel 7 had been came out, and there is some changes in the blade. We'll discuss it later in the upcoming videos. So where was I just forgot where was I was in the update one. Okay, so in the update one, here is the CSRF method put. So let's make it quick, right? So this is the image update. So here title, and oh sorry, no, okay, done. So here we have to do is title, and here description. Okay, so here is, so what I have done mistake is, maybe this is name text DSCRIP DSC, right? Okay, here is also DSC description. Okay, and we don't need this one. So type text we have here. You can also use the text area also. If you want to use the text area, you can also use the text area. So this is just like, you know, enter title, and you have, so this is just an example, so you can use more. And in here also there is something, maybe there is, yeah, okay, here is name is not email, DSC description. Okay, placeholder description, I have in title, and I have using the image. Okay, so image, here is also the name img, I'm using the img, right? So in update also I'm using the img. So you can use anything, but we have to call from the request, so it's your choice. So in image controller, let's go to the image controller. Okay, so what happened is, this request means I am calling that name. Okay, so maybe it's the request img or image, whatever you want to, right? So I have done img, and so you have to call the img. Okay, so whatever you write on that name, like here, so this is the bonus for you guys, whatever you write in this name, you have to put this here one. Okay, so I'm trying to do my best to for clearness. Okay, so the public path image means, here is right in the public here the image, right? So this is the public path image. Okay, so we are moving this one to this one. Okay, so this has been done. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, let's move it here. Okay, for image request, and here is the title, and here is also the description. Okay, so title, description, and we don't need the phone, right? So we need the image. So this has been done, and here what we can do is we will be doing like image.index. So let's see if it work or not. So here also image, so we are using the image, so we are using the image, right? So this is the easy method, and the next one method also I will be showing in the edit one. So let's refresh it. Let's try to make it like add new one, title, so new photo, description, new description. So there's like here is some kind of and like it may looks good or bad, it's your choice, and you can just use and change the CSS if you want to for the backend. So I'm going to like, okay, let's see, I'm going to make the changes, and this one, and let's, where is the file? I don't know where the file was in the project, so let's see. Okay, so learn Laravel. Oh, let's use the AdminLTE slaughter. So let's use this image. Okay, oh sorry, let's use this one, same kind of. So person 1, I'm using this person 1, right? So I'm using this person 1, let's see. Okay, done. Come on, oh my god, this happens sometimes if you don't use the request image. Okay, so let's go here. If there is no error, it doesn't look like good coding, right? So okay, so this comes because okay, done. So let's try it again. Let's go to back and new photo, test photo. So test pic, and description, let's test it. It's test it. Come on, it sounds like ugly. Test it. Okay, oh my god, what is it? Oh my god, the field image doesn't have a default value. What does it mean, right? It sucks. So when you see this kind of error, okay, so when you see this kind of error, you have to just know that this is just the database error, right? So SQL state, so this, so let's check it out. Image, here is an error. So this happens sometimes. Let's go to backward, let's test it again, and the person ones, let's try it again. Column title can't be null, so title can't be null, right? So maybe these titles, maybe this is all because of this title. Column title can't be null, right? So let's go to our backend a.blade.php, And let's see the title one. So this name should be title, right? It happens. So title. So let's test one picture, and the pictures number 1, let's make it one picture 1. Okay, so I'm going to submit this one again. Come on, I think I have to refresh again. Okay, maybe I have not, like, save it. It happens in like VS Code. Test one again. So let's try again. Person 1, submit. Okay, done. Wow. In description, here is no description. Where it gone? Maybe it is because of this one, right? So info, we have DESC. So why I am doing this DESC and this title and IMG? So it is all because we have the model, right? We have the model, and in model we have this one. I mean to say the title, IMG and the DESC. It means we have the table which column name is title, image and description. So let's move forward. We have done this one. Let's edit. Okay, it may show the error because we haven't done, like, okay, not found. Okay, great. So let's edit. Okay, so we have here is, so what we need to find is image, and we need to image, and what we need to update, and what we have to do is update and the compact and this one. So this one we like easy, and this one, okay, it came here, and let's refresh again. So let's see it again. Okay, done. Wow. So after this one, what would happen is, so we're in the update section, right? So let's look at the update section. So in update, request to request, and also it comes the ID. Okay, so find the image one. So data, I'm using the image, and if the request had IMG, okay, so image, I mean to say request had this image, then let's make it one, or it remains the same. Okay, so request, so this, and go to the public path, data. So data had the image. Okay, so this is the image one. Okay, done. So we don't have name, title. So basically what I am doing here is, like, first of all, image we have done in the data. Okay, and we are going to, it's like we are opening the pipe. We have opened the pipe, and we are trying to put the value on the pipe, like request description gives the description. Okay, and then we are saving that pipe. Okay, done. So, and we are returning to where? So we are returning to the same path like image. So in delete also we can do the same, like we're opening, we're finding the ID, and we are like deleting this one by. So okay, we just image, right? So today it's raining. I mean, like, it's raining now, and the sound of like waters and the rains maybe is disturbing here, so I'm so sorry for that. Data img image, so we have this one, and we have done this one so far, right? Image path, file path, image. Okay, so image, we have this. So if we have unlink it, so if you unlink it, and it will go after the from here. So maybe like I have to finish it quick because the climate is not like. So here we have image index. So far we have done this one, and again I'm trying to say that stay safe all wherever you are, and stay in the home, learn new things, and you can check out my videos if you want to, and if you find a good one, you can share the videos, like the videos, and from that it will support me. So let's go to here quickly. We have made all of the things so far, so let's add one more, and test to description 2, and let's choose the file person2, right, and submit. Okay, done. So let's read one and choose one again. So person2, I'm trying to make a person3. okay, so hope it will work. Oh my god, okay, seriously, I have not changed it. Let's move it and change, okay, I have changed it, but I have not saved that. I had not saved it, and because of that I had problem. Let's again submit. Seriously, I mean, where personal contact? So this one is creating the problem. So where the update one? Oh my god, this comes the email contact. Okay, I got the problem. Okay, I got the problem, right? So in the update section, let's go to the update section, backend update. So here maybe this is the problem one. Okay, so image update. So again let's try it one more. Done. Okay, it may be because I haven't refreshed it. So if sometimes if you don't refresh it, there is a problem, it creates the problem. So let's use the person3 here, and let's edit one. Okay. Oh my god, title. Where's the title, man? Update image, set title. Title is what? I mean, like, where the title? Title cannot be null. Is there no title? I mean, where the title, man? Let's go to the update sections. Here the title or not? Title. Here the title. Okay. So it can't be null, right? Title. Again in update, let's try again. Let's refresh it. Try again. So if you want, try it you won't get it. So try again and again. And this is the philosophy of coders. So we have the image update here, right? So if you want to delete it, but I want to add some more text 2, description 2, and I am going to add the person number 2, person number 2. Okay, and I am to edit again, right? So I thought that it didn't change, right? Maybe let's go to person number 3. Have it changed? Seriously, it didn't change. So it didn't change. It is because maybe it is because there is some error, right? There is some error in here. Maybe here image, yeah, here is no error. So it may be on the image controller, maybe or may not be. So let's see. Request image. So image, request image, everything is right, man. If the request has image, if the request has image timestamp and request image. Okay, so the data img image is image. So maybe let's check it out, right? So so let's check the image one. Is it right or is it wrong? Let's check it. Let's check it out. Okay, the request has image. Okay, so if the request has image number 3, then let's go to the, oh my god, it didn't pass the value. My god, test to description. Let's do it. I don't think it's working, right? It's working. Okay, this is working. Image is not working, right? So image is not working, right? Why? I mean, like, why? So if the request has img image, so doesn't the request follow the image? So let's check it out. Request, let's check this one, right? So gd, let's check the request. So this is the checking method, right? So you need to learn to, so it's easy one. And let's change it again. Let's make this one. Okay, and we have like array 3, array 1, and we have like image. Where is that? We have to like sort that one. So not the connection one, request one. We need the request. So this is the token, this is the put method, a title, here the description, and where is the, I don't know where it had gone. I mean, like, here is the token and the title is the description, and where is the image, man? It's blown up, like, I don't know, it gone, like it literally gone. I don't know where it gone, but it literally gone. Let's check it out again. So let's see. Oh my god, oh sorry. So this one is the error. Maybe it will help, right? Hope it will help. So let's try again. Okay, it came right here. So in the person 2, and it changed. Good. And I'm trying to change it like person 3. Oh, come on, my laptop. Sometimes it hangs, Okay, seriously. So my laptop was hang, so let's do it again. Okay, the third one, okay, like test 3 and test 3 description, and the third one, let's make the third one done, right? And one again, so test 4 description. So this is the description of the image, and we have the person number 4. So the image, image title and image also have the caption. If you want to make the caption, so you can also use the captions also. So we have these 4 images, right? And let's go to the front end, right? So let's go to the front end, and we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have only 4 image right now. So what I have to do is I have to make these pictures, this one, like so. These pictures, it should be shown in here, okay? So for that, what I have to do is, like, let's go to the, first of all, let's go to the website controller, okay? And here is the return view front-end layouts main. And what I need is, so I have need one data and the data, and I'm going to put an array here, and the array name is like make the image one, okay? So equal to, what I'm going to do is image all, okay, right? Image all, I mean we have the image model, okay? But why undefined constant, like I have forget to this or this one's better. No, okay, again. So image like this one all, sorry for the like, sometimes it happens. And this data I should only, so it will be easy to pass only the data, okay? So I have passed the data, and we can use many of this and only use the only we can pass the data, okay? So let's go to the main layout, okay? And we have this one, we have lots of this, okay, the same one, right? again, 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 again. I don't know how many pictures are there. More and more and more. Let's make it dynamic. Let's make it like CMS, so it will be cool for you to make the CMS of any website. Just follow along. So I'm taking this one and I'm deleting all this, right? So for now I'm going to like just make it a comment. I'll just comment it for now, and we are taking one, right? So for in offside, just make it for each. So for each, so we have passed the value data image, right? So let's make it like image. Okay, let's make it like image. Okay, now all data will be passed here. Okay, and just copy this, or you can just cut this and paste it under the for each. Okay, so in for each is here. So what happens is every time the data is just there is data, the data will be for it, there will be a loop. Okay, so there will be a loop. If there is data, every time there is data, there will be a loop. Okay, so here what we have to do is you just have to make it like assets, and assets means public, right? So it calls the public one public image, right? So image, and what we can do is just dot, and we need to just image, and image, just we need to pass this variable image as image. Okay, data image as image, and this image as the img, and it will show the image. Okay, and the title will be here. So the title doesn't have, like, now it's so easy. Image, it's so easy, right? Image, and here's the title. Just call the title. Okay, so here you can call like description or meta description, anything like you want to call a description. Just description, image description, and it's done, right? So let's check it out. Come on. Okay, wow, cool, right? It's really cool. You have done it. Okay, so we have the value here, right? And every time we do it, like every time we add the value, and it will show the value. So test 1 and test A. Okay, so we have these persons, like, okay, see the goal. Okay, then refresh this one. Oh wow, you have done. So like this one you can make the CMS, right? Okay, so this has been done. Last but not the least, right? I want to oh, this not found me because it had the link. Okay, you can just put the link, something like here. You can just link it. You can just link this, copy this one. Let's see what will happen, right? Copy this one and just, I don't know what happens here if you just do it. I'm just trying, like, okay, done, right? Okay, you need this video, you need this one. So if you are good at JavaScript, you can just use it, like it will just go out. Okay, so so I don't recommend this. Okay, you can just use JavaScript. So the thing is admin panel. Okay, so we have done this personal contact, images, and this one. Okay, done. So thank you so much, and please like and subscribe and share for more videos, and please support me for more videos, and I will be making the content for you guys. Thank you so much. Enjoy, stay safe, and stay home, stay safe, and enjoy learning. Thank you.